Your imagination is the only reality. All else is a shadow. Neville Goddard. The concept of resurrection is one of the most profound and life-changing themes found in spiritual teachings. In exploring the notion of resurrection, it is essential to recognize that this concept transcends mere physical revival and gets deeply into the realms of personal variation and renewal. Understanding resurrection from this perspective reveals its power to effect significant change in our lives and consciousness. Resurrection, in the spiritual context, is not just about returning from death or reviving something that has been lost. It represents a profound inner variation, a reawakening of the true self. This concept suggests that through a process of inner change and renewal, we can experience a profound shift in our state of being. This shift allows us to transcend old limitations and think of a higher level of awareness and understanding. One of the central ideas related to resurrection is the concept of the death of the old self. This idea posits that in order to experience true variation, we must first let go of outdated beliefs, habits, and patterns of thought that no longer serve our higher purpose. This process can be likened to a form of spiritual rebirth, where the old self is metaphorically buried to make way for the emergence of a new, more enlightened self. In exploring this theme, it is valuable to consider the symbolic nature of resurrection. The stories and teachings surrounding resurrection often use symbolism to convey deeper truths about human consciousness. For instance, the resurrection story in various spiritual traditions often involves themes of overcoming darkness or adversity, suggesting that true variation requires confronting and transcending our deepest fears and challenges. Understanding resurrection in this way also emphasizes the idea that change is a continuous and dynamic process. Just as physical resurrection is not a one-time event, but a recurring theme in many spiritual traditions, personal variation is an ongoing journey. This journey involves regular introspection and self-evaluation, allowing us to continually grow and evolve. Moreover, the concept of resurrection highlights the power of faith and belief in facilitating personal change. By cultivating a strong belief in our capacity for variation, we align ourselves with the forces that drive personal growth and renewal. This belief acts as a catalyst, enabling us to break free from limiting patterns and think of new possibilities. The spiritual journey of resurrection also involves thinking about a sense of purpose and direction. As we let go of old patterns and beliefs, we create space for new insights and inspirations to emerge. This renewed sense of purpose guides us toward fulfilling our highest potential and living in alignment with our true selves. It is essential to recognize that resurrection is not solely about personal gain, but also about contributing to the greater good. As we transform ourselves, we also influence those around us, creating positive ripples that extend beyond our individual lives. This collective impact underscores the interconnectedness of all beings and highlights the importance of contributing to the well-being of others. Resurrection, as a process of personal renewal, invites us to consider how we can apply these principles to various aspects of our lives. This practical application can lead to profound changes, fostering a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. At its core, resurrection calls us to challenge and reevaluate our current state of being. It encourages us to identify areas where we feel stuck or unfulfilled and to actively seek ways to initiate change. This could involve reassessing our goals, revising our habits, or re-examining relationships that no longer serve our growth. By doing so, we align ourselves with the principle of resurrection, allowing for the emergence of a renewed and more authentic self. One practical aspect of applying the concept of resurrection involves setting intentions for personal growth. Just as the idea of resurrection implies a shift from an old self to a new one, setting clear, focused intentions helps direct our efforts toward meaningful change. This process requires introspection to determine what aspects of our lives need variation and what new qualities or achievements we wish to manifest. Intentions act as a guiding force, helping us navigate the journey of personal renewal with purpose and clarity. Another crucial element of this life-changing process is self-compassion. As we undertake the journey of personal resurrection, it's important to approach ourselves with kindness and understanding. Change can be challenging, and setbacks are a natural part of the process. Practicing self-compassion allows us to navigate these challenges with resilience and patience, recognizing that growth often comes with its own set of trials. Moreover, the concept of resurrection invites us to engage in continuous learning and self-improvement. This ongoing process of personal development involves seeking new knowledge, acquiring new skills, and expanding our horizons. By committing to lifelong learning, we keep ourselves open to new possibilities and experiences, facilitating the ongoing renewal of our lives. In the context of relationships, resurrection emphasizes the importance of nurturing connections that support our growth. It encourages us to seek out relationships that align with our values and aspirations and to let go of those that hinder our progress. Healthy, supportive relationships contribute to our overall well-being and enhance our capacity for personal variation. Additionally, resurrection encourages us to engage in practices that promote mental and emotional well-being. Mindfulness, meditation, and other reflective practices help us stay connected to our inner selves and provide clarity during times of change. These practices foster a sense of inner peace and resilience, supporting us as we navigate the ups and downs of personal renewal. The process of resurrection also involves aligning our actions with our values. By living authentically and making choices that reflect our true selves, we create a harmonious and fulfilling life. This alignment helps us stay true to our purpose and fosters a sense of satisfaction and contentment. The principle of resurrection teaches us about the importance of adaptability. Life is inherently dynamic, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances is crucial for personal growth. Thinking about change with an open mind and a positive attitude allows us to respond effectively to new opportunities and challenges, ensuring that we continue to evolve and thrive. Ultimately, the concept of resurrection is about realizing our highest potential and living a life of purpose and fulfillment. By applying these principles to our daily lives, we can experience profound variation and create a more meaningful existence. This process is deeply personal and unique to each individual, but its underlying message is universal. Through self-awareness, intentionality, and resilience, we can continually renew ourselves and live in alignment with our true essence. In exploring the concept of resurrection, we also gain insight into the nature of consciousness and its role in shaping our experiences. By understanding the dynamics of our inner world, we can harness the power of our thoughts and beliefs to effect meaningful change in our lives. This understanding empowers us to take control of our destiny and create a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. The journey of resurrection is deeply personal and uniquely tailored to each individual's path. While the process may involve challenges and setbacks, it is ultimately a journey of growth and self-discovery. By thinking about the principles of resurrection, we unlock the potential for profound personal variation and begin to realize the true essence of our being. As we conclude this exploration of resurrection, it is crucial to recognize the profound implications of this concept for our personal and collective lives. By understanding and applying the principles of resurrection, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities and opportunities for growth. This understanding empowers us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, ultimately leading us toward a more enlightened and fulfilling existence. As we reflect on the deep insights shared about resurrection and personal renewal, it's clear how profoundly these principles can impact our lives. The concept of resurrection, in its essence, is not merely a historical or religious idea, but a practical, powerful tool for personal growth and variation. By understanding and applying these teachings, we can initiate meaningful changes in our lives and move towards a more fulfilled and purposeful existence. We've explored how resurrection symbolizes a shift from an old state to a new, more enlightened one. This process involves setting intentions, practicing self-compassion, and remaining committed to continuous learning and self-improvement. It's about aligning our actions with our values, nurturing supportive relationships, and engaging in practices that promote well-being. Each of these aspects contributes to the powerful experience of personal renewal and helps us navigate the changes in our lives with resilience and clarity. If you found this discussion insightful and helpful, there are several ways to show your support and stay connected. First, give this video a thumbs up to let us know that you appreciate the content. Your feedback is crucial for us to continue creating valuable and relevant material. Second, subscribing to our channel ensures that you don't miss out on future videos that cover similar topics. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new content that can assist you in your personal development and understanding of these powerful concepts. Third, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these teachings. Spreading the message helps others who may be looking for guidance and inspiration in their own lives. Fourth, leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions you might have. Engaging in the comments section allows us to interact directly with you and provide additional support or clarification on the topics discussed. Consider joining our social media platforms, where we regularly post updates, additional insights, and resources related to personal growth and variation. Following us on social media provides ongoing access to content that can continue to inspire and support you in your journey. Your engagement is vital for us to continue delivering high-quality, impactful content. By liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and following us, you contribute to a space where valuable discussions and teachings can flourish. We appreciate your support and look forward to continuing this exploration of profound concepts with you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you take these insights into your daily life, applying them to create positive and lasting change. Your path to renewal and self-discovery is unique, and we're here to support you every step of the way.